This are the naturals. The green. It's so green, natural.
Último viento Urnieta. Próxima parada, Urnieta.
All these are just villages. Villages in Spain. It's like a city in our country. These are villages, but look at. You see, all these are village, but it never looks like village. Everything there you see. You see. Look at the ambience. So beautiful. These are villages, but you see, it will not look like village. No abandoned place. Let me bring you to a place whereby you can see everywhere tied to the village. Let's see.
Último viento Andoan. Próxima parada, Andoan.
You see? If you get the capture very well. This one is also some parts of the train station. You see? Look at the another. We can capture the ground. See the capture. The capture here is very voila. The capture here is very clear. You see the capture. The capture here is clear. But the capture here. The architecture. All these are village, but it never looks like village. The development in city, they will also put it in a village. That is the system. That is how they do it. Look at this view. The ambience of here is very beautiful. Look at the ambience. Those two things, you cannot just throw refuge any places. You first of all, there is any place, any bus station, train station, they'll make sure they put refuse bus, market, like that blue sign, that one is for paper, the other one is organical, that is for anything food. Look at the ambience here is given. It's given. Look at that ambience. Look at that very heat up. It's given. Oh, look at that architecture. It's so beautiful. Wow, that is so interesting. Look at that. Look at that architectural work. It's so beautiful. The architecture, the one that just passed, that one is modern one. One thing about Spain, whenever is their Asian pattern, they will retain it. No, they will not remove that pattern. They will make sure they retain it, make it, retain the beauty of the pattern. So that is why anything about their culture, anything about them is still retaining their ancient design and all. Look at that heat up over there. Look at that heat up. Look at that bridge as well. Look at the heat up. The heat up. All those are trees. Let's see. All those are trees. I guess those are trees. The one thing about this region in Spain, they are industrialized. You see a lot of industry in this region. A village. It never looks like village, but it looks as if, you see, look at that shore. You see all these are industries. They are well industrialized in this region. Well industrialized. In their industrialization is very unique. Look at this architectural work. It's so beautiful. You see that? Oh my God! Look at that beautiful structure. The structure. Look at this. This very one is new modern. New modern. This is another train station. Another train station. Look at that. Beautiful ambience. There's beautiful ambience here. Beautiful ambience here. Look at the ambience of this place. Look at this tree. It's just a store to drop passengers. Look at the ambience of this place. The ambience of this place. So beautiful. Wow. This is beautiful. These are just green. See that? Look at this green. Those are houses on the top, drawing, beautiful drawing at the tunnel of that wall. Look at this green. It's beautiful. That White House. Another White House. Another White House. That is what we usually call estate. You see another one, it will just be a pattern in this particular landscape. You see, that's what we call estate. That's what we usually call an estate. Look at this picture. Look at this green. Look at that green.
Vaya, a ver, no la estela va
This architectural work. Wow, this one is also beautiful. This one is just so beautiful. Look at this pattern. Another train just, as our train is going, another one passing by. This. Look at that ambience. Look at the ambience of this place. It's so beautiful. This ambience is also beautiful. Look at this ambience. Look at this ambience. You see that? Look at the heat of Look, it's a house over here. It's so beautiful. You see, that very one is also a house at the hilltop. At the hilltop. So beautiful. See how thick is this forest. Oh my God, look at that, how thick is that forest. Oh, these are train line, not electricity line, these are train line, most of them. Look at this fine structure, so beautiful.